Okay, I restarted the video because it actually crashed. My computer did a thing and my video stopped. It's not working though. I think it has to do with probably something is being called board controller update colors. 1 second. Instead of doing it in exit, it's going to be when I hold the B button, right? So before I change the state, I could do one of these, I think. Let's try that. Reset the controller. My computer is going crazy. Didn't work, but I could still move. Huh. And if I go back on him, why doesn't that update? It's almost as if like there's some variables inside of, but still it should. Where am I doing update colors? Here. Here. On fire event. And does the fire event hold any variables? No. The move sequence should. Here. What I could do is I could create a new, let's go to update colors 2 seconds. And I could create a new one called update planned path color. This one is called update colors. But it's almost like it wants to movement tile show, right? But if I do like public one of these, update planned path colors, I do one of these and I set this as a void. Like that should be just fine. And I could update planned path colors here. And when I hold B, or when I exit that state, when I just exit the state, right? Where's the exit state? State exit. On fire, on exit. Movement tiles hide. Do one of these. That's all it is. I mean, really. Let's see if that crashes or doesn't work or something. No. Let's see if that even gets called. Let's see if I go here and I do a debug.log. Exit is called. I'll put that after the command just to, just to show that it's been called there. And then let's see here if I could do a debug.log in move tiles sequence for each. And let's just say here debug.log, right? And in update color path thing. So I could see where I'm going with this here. I know there's a way to break it, and I could have done that too, but I'm not used to that. I don't use that so much. Okay, so that's still disconnected. Let's do this. Okay, let's see what we got here. Exit is called. Okay, that's good. Why isn't this? Huh. It's almost like in update color path. Did that not get called? In update color path. Let me do debug.log dot unit or match unit is not selected unit. I mean, oh, this is why. If I back out, this shouldn't matter actually. So what I'm going to do, I get it now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove these. And this doesn't matter. Because I backed out. Like it's not going to be, I'm not going to want to have that. I am going to want to have that unit selected, but I've moved out of that functionality. And I've completely exited the move thing. So I might want to have a different color if it's a selected unit, right? But for now, I don't think so. Let me see. There we go. Cool. Oh, that didn't. So if there's a path, so my area where I could move, kind of like goes over the white. But yeah, it's still interesting. Interesting. I could do a thing. Oh, it is here. What I'm doing here is board planned. So I could just do it here when I do an update color. Wait 1 second. When I do an update color here, just stick this where I can move. Oh, I could just put it here. There. Everything else. Yeah. Let's try that. That way everything else will override it. I mean, it would be nice for me to redo the system and like mix the colors, if you know what I mean. But now this will still override. What the hell? Oh, not good. That's broken. Interesting. That has to do with the previous tile not being updated correctly. Let's check this out. If I go here, wait, I go here, and I go here, and I start drawing over him, and I go back here, and I start backing out, I'm not updating the previous tile correctly. That is a problem. Now, is it because the previous tile is not being saved correctly onto the unit? Or is it because when I'm loading the unit data, it's not bringing that new unit data onto the tile? Because I'm doing it in a really weird way. Let's see. It will happen when I come into the move state. Also, why is that color really ugly? Board view. That's not the color that I set it for, is it? Isn't that weird, eh? What if I did a 0.5 on this? This should be the transparency. Maybe that'll look nicer, I don't know. Movement range is nice, maybe that. I don't know. Try that. Now what I want to do is go to the battle controller. Now when I get into this state, this move state somewhere here, if selected dot unit equals 0, means this is brand new. Else, what I want to do is most selected unit dot move sequence. Wait, what am I checking for? Right, so if there's something saved on, not saved on him, fine. If there is something saved on him, what we're going to do is we're going to go through. See, there's no previous at all. Move distance. Right. What I need to do is do this here, which is previous stuff here. I think it's just this here. Move, peak. Hold on, I'm getting confused with which is which here. Which one is the board and which one is the unit? Okay. This is it here. Good. I think that's all I needed to do. That should work. Let's give it a shot. Now I got to get 2 characters. Oh, there's tons of characters that are close enough to try this. Okay, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here. Then I'm going to go here. Whoa. No, something's broken. A little weird, Let's try something else. I might not be writing to it either. So let's go to, let's just do this. And let's just do this. And then let's do this is broken. I might not be writing to it. When I hit the button, I'm going to copy this real quick here, when I hit the action button, this is on enter. This is on exit. On fire event. Previous is current title. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I do write it. Weird. Then why isn't it working? Very weird. Why isn't it working? See, the problem is when I overlap the paths. Oh, that's not working at all anymore. What the hell? If I just draw one, and I get out of there, and I get out of there, that's... Oh, shit. That's not working at all. What the hell did I do? Bless me. Previous, so it has something to do with this. Let me block that out. Let's just try it again. I think this is where I was when it wasn't working, but it was less broken. Yeah, that kind of still works. Right, and that's cool because you can kind of see where they're going to go. That's the general idea anyway. Right? It's looking kind of cool. Problem is, I can go on here and back out. That's not a problem. But I got to reset it because they're too far apart. But I can't overlap them at all. Maybe I'm trying to see. Oh, they're so far apart. Let me just reset that again. Get that random generator to get them close. There we go. So if I do one of these, and I then do one of these, it goes up. Okay, that's kind of what I was expecting. That just means that I'm not writing the previous data correctly. Or I'm not transferring the previous data back onto the board right here. So let me see here. I don't think I'm putting it on the board, am I? One moment. What I need to do, what am I doing? Move sequence is the... I think I'm doing something wrong here. I think it's more like this. I gotta get the board. The tile I want to get from the board. Is the one in here. And that tile, I want the previous, what's it called? Movement previous to equal the hell? Oh, right. What the frickin' hell? Owner.board get tile. Equals. It's very convoluted, isn't it? Movement.peak. Probably just this here. That's probably what it is. Let me think. No. It's just the point. I think that's it. Let's try that. Something like that, or something like this. That's broken again. Oh no. Yeah, it's broken. Shit. Owner.board. Why did I have all these? Move sequence.peak. I don't even know where move sequence comes from. What is move sequence? What is move stack? Oh, it's move sequence. Okay, well. Hold on, my brain is getting all twisted up. I know it's here. Maybe I gotta do it in two places, actually. I should probably do it here as well. Move, peak, previous, move, okay. And then previous, like this. No, why? Oh. This is how we do that one. But I also think I gotta do it on the board itself and not in the board's stack, just because of the way I'm making it work. Let me see something. Let me try it though, just to make sure. That's no, broken. Not set to an instance of a tar. What is not set? it could be that there's none there. Move sequence is what? Move stack is this here. So what I need to do is I need to check if that exists. That's all I really need to put in there. Why wouldn't it? What is it complaining about? Does not equal null, right? Let's go ahead and do this. Oh, shit. Ah, crap. There. I think that's why. Because I think the one that the unit is on might be null. Which is why it's saying there's nothing there. You're telling me to put something that doesn't exist. Something like that. Let's try it and see. I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go like this. Oops, no. Oh, shit. Oh, it broke. Maybe it didn't break. Oh, my. Was my remote that broke? Okay, and now this again. Okay. So I didn't break out like that certainly helped because normally it would crash. So this is working. But that didn't solve the problem, did it? What I need to do now is, I think it's this. Let me see. Runner board, get tile. So I'm getting this tile and I'm getting its previous movement, and what I'm putting in there yeah, that should work right here. Let's try that. Shit, that still didn't work. It has to do with where I'm checking for the previous movement. Let me go and see where I'm doing the B button. On fire event, B button. So if there's nothing I get out of there, I don't need to see this. Okay, current tile equals current tile dot previous movement. Interesting. Okay, owner none. Okay. Selected unit dot move sequence okay. Oh. Current tile dot previous movement. Right. And when I go in here, when I go in, I'm interested in seeing current tile right now. So move sequence dot peak. Where am I defining the move sequence? Here. Time is it? I wonder. My controller's really having a hard time. What the heck is going on here? What the hell? My controller's not working. It's because when I draw here, what I'm doing is the hell? See here, previous title. That's going to be the previous one. And on this one here, the previous, that's going to be the previous. It's drawing it on the board in the tile view of the board. Now when I come back in here and I reset my controller, somewhere there, now it's working. What the hell? Okay, I go there. Now why is it broken? I'm getting very annoyed. It's not working at all. Oh, because I didn't get out. Okay. So when I do that and I start drawing in here now. Okay. Now I'm on this tile still. The previous one is now going to be this one. Yes. That's correct. Now when I come back in here and I go to the center one and I do this, this one should be previous here, but instead it's still the old one. This one is not being updated with this one when I go into the state. Why? Why? When I go into else here, move sequence dot peak dot movement previous. I'm getting it here. I'm setting it here. Owner.board.get tile. This thing here. This previous movement, I wanted to do. That should work. This should be it right here. Or what I could do instead of this super retarded convoluted thing is do, look, I just push this on movement.sequence. Oh, and I do it here too. No, right, I should do it in the board. In the board. Now, how am I defining current tile? When I hit B, that's how I'm doing current tile here. And then when I hit B button here, I'm grabbing the movement previous of the current tile, which is a tile view. Which is a tile view. Weird. I don't know. I'm too tired right now to think. I really feel like I've exhausted this. I really don't have a freaking clue. Move target state. Current tile. Could it be? Frickin' hell, I really don't have a clue. I'm just going to save it, hold on to it, figure it out later because I can't think right now. I'll work on this later.